Hi guys, welcome back to Lee Vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to Lee Vlog. If you guys are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the bell button. As you guys have seen from my title, I'm gonna be unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing this beautiful thingy, and as much as you guys are excited, I'm excited at the same time. I don't know guys, I was excited. But let's just unbox this beautiful thing that I've achieved from YouTube. Thank you YouTube for sending me my first silver button, and this is not only the first one. I'm gonna be getting my what do you call that, gold button, and then after that what do you have, that diamond and everything. So I'm gonna be working really hard on that. So let's just open this beautiful thing. But I'm very excited, but I'm nervous at the same time. I'm gonna be really emotional at the same time because shall we? Is this the right way to open, or should I just put this on the thing? I'm just gonna put this on my bed so that you guys can also see it as I open this button, and let's just unbox it together, yeah? I am so excited, but oh my god, do you guys want to see my reaction? Because hold up, let me fix the camera. Okay, so guys, let's just open the silver button, and then I haven't seen it yet, yeah? See, this is what it looks like, and you guys will be the first one to see. I don't know how it looks like. I haven't even seen it.
I'm so nervous.
What is my name written there? Oh, wait. Okay, so I'm just going to be reading out like whatever's written here. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Before I see my silver button, I would like to thank each and every one of you. It wouldn't have been possible without you guys. I mean, you guys have been with me through ups and downs, be it the new subscriber, be it the old subscriber. I would nowhere be here today without you guys. So I love you guys so much, and it wouldn't have been possible to reach till here without the help of you guys, and I'm so excited to see. I have been waiting for 1.5 years for the right moment, and this is the right moment, and I'll let you guys see it first. I want to see it now, yeah? I'm gonna cry. Oh, I just saw it. Oh my god, I just saw it. Okay, fine. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out right now. I'm literally freaking out right now. Oh my god, I can't even see. I am freaking out right now. This is a message from the YouTube. It's just that, do you remember your first subscriber? I'm sorry, but I created my YouTube channel in 2017. I'm not sure if I really remember. I'm so sorry, but it says that, oh, your 1,000 subscriber. I'm so sorry. YouTube, are you trying to make me cry right now? Is that chances are you do, and we know that you will definitely remember your 1 lakh subscriber. Alright, so I'm just gonna read out whatever YouTube has sent me, and I'm just gonna frame it. I'm just gonna frame it and keep it in my bedroom. I'm not even kidding. This is so beautiful. And then it says that your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommendation video. Makes sense. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed, and their numbers increased because of you and the community you have built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 1 lakh subscribers with the silver create. Our congratulations. No way, this is so emotional. We know that you may have more stories to share with the community, and we know your friends can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment, creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows when you reach your million subscriber. Reaching million subscriber is a dream come true. Oh my god. This is not fair. And who knows when you will reach your million subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember you are 1 lakh subscriber? Yours Neil Mohan YouTube CEO. I don't know. I don't have any words to say right now. I just need my tissue. I'm so sorry. I didn't. Oh my god. Because I don't know how many of you guys joined me recently, or you guys have been following me for a couple of years, but I opened my YouTube channel in 2017 and I couldn't stay constant for some reason, and it's been just 3 years that, not 3, it's been just 4 years that I came back to YouTube. I got this like 1.5 years ago, and I did not even react to it because I didn't feel there was the right time to, you know, open this. I'm all alone doing this, but thank you YouTube, and thank you Neil Mohan. Like, I'm still yet to open the silver button. I think you guys didn't see it earlier. I'm so sorry, but you guys are gonna be the first one to see. Oh my god, I'm nervous for you guys. So this is what it looks like. Duh. No way. I can't believe I got this. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be this way, but I worked so hard for this. I know some people are gonna just comment saying the fact that you're just overreacting the fact, because I get a lot of hate comments, and then but is this even real? I had this with me for 1.5 years, but I did not just. It says presented to Lee Vlog for passing 1 lakh subscribers from YouTube. Oh my god. No, I can't believe it's, and I've been having this gift with me for 1.5 years. And let me tell you guys, the reason I did not open this was because I was not at the right headspace. But do you think I deserve this? I worked so hard for this. Actually, I'm gonna keep it framed. I'm gonna keep it so well. I'm just gonna pass it on to my grandchildren or my daughter saying, or my son saying that your mom, she got it. This is possible because of you guys, and I don't mind being vulnerable. It's alright, but I really appreciate this, and I'm gonna value this for the rest of my life. And then you're gonna see here gold and then diamond, and I'm gonna work really hard for that. I promise to you guys. I truly promise to you guys that I'm gonna work really hard. And then I love you guys. I love you guys so much, and then see you guys in the next vlog.